keep leaking into the hallway. So hallway, here's my door. Here's my apartment. It's raining on the inside.
What are you doing? Doing TikTok?
I'm just filming this so I can put it in the documentary of my life. I hope this water's not dirty.
It is super dirty.
It smells bad.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh no.
Hi, it's Antoine. Something's happening up there. 2 floors up, which is making this happen here. And I just need to know why. I need answers. I need to know what's in the water that keeps splashing all over me. Like, do I have corona now? Hi.
Is it somebody?
I don't fucking know.
Damn, that's so crazy.
It's raining in my apartment.
So
Literally everywhere.
What the fuck?
It's raining out of my light fixtures, out of my vents. Computers are soaking wet. Okay, so it's a sprinkler issue. No one died. Hopefully, well, people are dying all the time. It's a sprinkler thing. It's still raining in my apartment, but it's a sprinkler thing. That's the alarm. My roommate's room, which is going off because of the flooding that happened earlier today. Now I'm just vlogging because what else do you do when you can't sleep at 2 a.m. because your alarm is going off because your apartment flooded? But all in all, everything isn't terrible. It's just uncomfortable. I'm going to close my eyes and listen to the alarm and then deal with this tomorrow. I'm here, amongst the bugs and the trees. It's definitely something that I needed to do a long time ago, and it's something that I think I should do more often. I've never experienced so much calmness around me and inside my head. So I encourage you to get out to your forests and parks and national nature preserves. It's more than necessary. It's a part of, I don't know, finding a balance in your life. I find. I'm not an expert, but I'm enjoying myself, even though there are bugs feasting on my body at the moment. We'll be in the Sierras, the eastern Sierras. I'm in Inyo National Forest right now, and we're gonna leave here on Wednesday, head up to Yosemite. So yeah, originally I wasn't gonna vlog or talk or take photos, but I was compelled to. So yeah, get into this beauty, y'all. Get into this beauty. day. We're trying to film, we're trying to make things. I feel like my mind is at peace for the first time in a while. So I actually feel like dancing for the first time in a while. And the fact that I get to do it out here and all this sun and rock and sand and beauty. Oh my word. Anyways, I think I'm gonna head down the creek and maybe look for some more spots to dance around. I've actually made a tripod. Right now I'm holding my camera, which is connected to PVC piping and a little bit of foil tape. Couldn't find a tripod in Lone Pine, which is fine. There isn't any box stores or retail electronics. I can't blame the hiking shop for not carrying camera supplies because that's not what they do. Oh God, it's hot in here. Okay, let's drive, babies. Okay, it's time for some mountain confessionals. To be honest, I was very nervous about coming up here. Mostly because, you know, look at my face, look at my skin, look at this country. But every person I meet up on the mountain, in the hills, in the meadows, by the streams, they're just so happy. I think nature does something to people. It gives them a little bit more compassion, friendliness. You want to work together, keep each other safe. Honestly, this experience has been so beautiful. And it's not just the nature, it's the people. Everybody is so nice. Everybody is so nice. I just met a couple a little bit while down the path. They were like, so where are you headed? How was your hike? What'd you see? What's down there? I told them about the waterfalls. And it made my heart sing. So I think this is about to be a hobby of mine. Maybe even a personality trait. But I think I really need nature in my life, and I'm making a video about this because I think maybe you do too. So, that's all for now. Bye. See you later.